Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes. We are going through the multiple choice questions of history and this is the part 2, and as we know this is a much important subject for your competitive examinations. So we have selected few questions very carefully that are mostly being asked in the examinations, and also it will boost your knowledge on this subject. So please take it very carefully. So let's proceed to the next question. The next question coming to your screen is: which institution operate the currency and credit system in India? Which institution operates the currency and credit system in India? And the options are: option A, Ministry of Finance; option B, Reserve Bank of India; option C, government banks; and option D, stock exchanges. Which institution operates the currency and credit system in India? And the right answer is Reserve Bank of India. Next question: when did radio broadcasting begin in India? When did radio broadcasting begin in India? Option A 1930, option B 1927, option C 1936, option D 1957, and the right answer is 1927. Next question: who was the first European to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature? Who was the first non-European, to receive the Nobel Prize for the Literature? And the options are Ivan Bunin, option B Rabindranath Tagore, option C William Faulkner, and option D Eugene O'Neill. And the option right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question: when was Indian Medical Council set up? When was Indian Medical Council set up? And the options are option A 1980, option B 1971, option C 1978, and option D 1981. And the right answer is 1971. The Indian Medical Council was set up in 1971. Next question: who was the last Mughal emperor in India? And the options are A. Muhammad Shah, B. Jahangir, C. Nadir Shah, D. Bahadur Shah II. And the right answer is Bahadur Shah II. Bahadur Shah II was the last Mughal emperor of India. Next question: in which year did the Union Government of India dissolve the government of Jammu and Kashmir? In which year did the Union Government of India dissolve the government of Jammu and Kashmir? And the options are option A 2018, option B 1919, option C 1947, and option D 2002. And the right answer is 2018. Next question: which Indian lunar probe found water on the moon? Which Indian lunar probe found water on the moon? Option A Mangalyaan, option B Cartosat 3, option C Chandrayaan 1, option D Chandrayaan 2, and the right answer is Chandrayaan 1. Next question: who was the first Indian citizen to go into space? Who was the first Indian citizen to go into space? And the answer is A. Sunita Williams, option B. Ravish Malhotra, option C. Kalpana Chawla, and option D. Rakesh Sharma. And the right answer is Rakesh Sharma. Next question: which river does not originate from India? Which river does not originate from India out of the four below? Option A Chenab, option B Shatluj, option C Ganga, and option D Brahmaputra. And the right answer is Brahmaputra. It originates somewhere from the China. Now, next question: which Indian social reformer is known as the father of modern India? Which Indian social reformer is known as the father of modern India? And the options are option A Savitri Bai Phule, option B Ram Mohan Rai, option C Vinoba Bhave, and option D Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. And the right answer is Ram Mohan Rai. Next question: which is the national tree of India? And the options are option A mango, option B people, option C banyan, and option D neem. And the right answer is banyan. Next question. Which of this is a union territory of India? The question, which of these is a union territory of India? And the options are option A, Chennai, option B, Shimla, option C, Ladakh, option D, Kolkata. And the right answer is Ladakh. So guys, how do you are feeling? Is the questions are good or enjoying? See these MCQs number of time, keep on practicing so that you will stand perfect in your examinations. And one more thing I want to say, there is a gift at the end of this video. So continue the video till end and like, share, subscribe. Share to the friends, family, whosoever is participating in the competitive examinations for their benefit. Right guys, now let's move to the next question. Which is the most popular dance form performed in Gujarat? Which is the most popular dance form performed in Gujarat? Option A, Kathak, option B, Bhangra, option C, Garba, and option D, Kuchipudi. And the right answer is Garba. Next question. Khasi people belong to which state of India? Khasi people belong to which state of India? And the options are option A, Meghalaya, option B, Karnataka, option C, Sikkim, and option D, Madhya Pradesh. And the right answer is Meghalaya. Next question. The Bharatanatyam is indigenous to which Indian state? The Bharatanatyam is indigenous to which Indian state? The options are option A, Gujarat, option B, Karnataka, option C, Tamil Nadu, option D, West Bengal. The Bharatanatyam is indigenous to which Indian state? And option is Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal. What is the right answer? The right answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. What dance form is Birju Maharaj famous for? Option A, Kathak, option B, Bhangra, option C, Bharatanatyam, option D, Kuchipudi. And the right answer is Kathak. Birju Maharaj is famous for the Kathak dance. Next question. Who wrote the Gitanjali? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore, option B, Mahadevi Verma, option C, Mahmud Iqbal, and option D, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. When was the Gandhi Irwin project signed? When was the Gandhi Irwin project signed? And the options are option A, March 1, 1930, option B, August 15, 1931, option C, March 5, 1931, option D, September 5, 1932. And the right answer is March 5, 1931. Next question. Who wrote Ramayana? The question, who wrote Ramayana? Option A, Kalidas, option B, Valmiki, option C, Vedvyas, option D, Tulsidasa. And the right answer is Valmiki. Tulsidas is written Ramcharitmanas. Next question. Who is the first Indian physicist to win Nobel Prize? Who is the first Indian physicist to win the Nobel Prize? And the options are option A, C.V. Raman, option B, Vikram Sarabhai, option C, Homi Jahangir Bhabha, and option D, P.C. Roy. And the right answer is Dr. C.V. Raman. Next question. Which Indian composer won the Academy Award for Best Music Original Song? Which Indian composer won the Academy Award for the Best Music? And then option A, Kalyanji Anandji, option B, Shankar Mahadevan, option C, A.R. Rahman, and option D, Amit Trivedi. And the right answer is A.R. Rahman. Next question. Which is the oldest golf club in India? And the options are option A, Royal Calcutta Golf Club, option B, Shillong Golf Club, option C, Royal Bombay Golf Club, option D, Royal Bombay Golf Club. And the right answer is Royal Calcutta Golf Club. Next question. In which year did the Kargil War take place? And the options are option A, 1998, option B, 1965, option C, 1971, option D, 1999. And the right answer is 1999. Next question. In which year did the Bhopal gas tragedy take place? In which year did the Bhopal gas tragedy take place? And the options are option A 1984, option B 1944, option C 2009, and option D 2013. And the right answer is 1984. Next question. The Mumbai terrorist attack happened in which year? The Mumbai terrorist attack happened in which year? The option A 2008, option B 2005, option C 2006, option D 2001, and the right answer is 2008. Next question. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? And the options are option A New Delhi, option B Bengaluru, option C Mumbai, option D Hyderabad, and the right answer is Bengaluru. Next question. What is the Hindi film industry in India called? Option A Bollywood, option B Collywood, option C Tollywood, option D Nollywood, and the right answer is everybody knows Bollywood. Next question. Which is India's oldest national park? Which is India's oldest national park? And the options are option A Ranthambore National Park, option B Hemis National Park, option C Corbett National Park, option D Boar Tiger Reserve, and the right answer is Corbett National Park. Next question. Where is the Great Stupa situated? Where is the Great Stupa situated? And the options are option A Rajasthan, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Madhya Pradesh, option D Bihar, and the right answer is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, the Great Stupa situated. Next question. Who is the first Indian citizen to win the Booker Prize? Who is the first Indian citizen to win the Booker Prize? And the options are option A Salman Rushdie, option B V.S. Naipur, option C Kiran Desai, and option D Arundhati Rai, and the right answer is Arundhati Rai. Next question. Where did chess first originate? Where did chess first originate? Option A Spain, option B India, option C Iran, and option D China, and the right answer is India. Next question. Which state in India do we find the wettest region? And the options are option A Meghalaya, option B Kerala, option C Assam, and option D West Bengal, and the right answer is Meghalaya. Next question. When was the Indian Medical Council set up? And the options are option A 1971, option B 1980, option C 1975, and option D 1981. And the right answer is 1971. Now, next question. Who is the first Indian physicist to win the Nobel Prize? And the options are option A Homi Jahangir Bhabha, option B P.C. Roy, option C Vikram Sarabhai, option D C.V. Raman, and the right answer is Dr. C.V. Raman. Next question. India's population as on 1st March 2011 is option A 1.01 billion, option B you can say 0.9 million, option C 1.2 million, and option D 1.9 million, and the right answer is 1.2 billion. Next question. India's largest city by population is option A Delhi, option B Mumbai, and option C say Mumbai, and option D Pune. What is the right answer? Mumbai is the largest city by population. So guys, we have finished certain questions under this series. So if you want your gift, go to the description box. There is a link there. Explore the link. You'll find your gift. It will be the life-changing learning and earning module with the best coach in Asia. Explore it, fill the form, and let me know if any help required. You can email me, you can connect me in my WhatsApp. Thank you for being with us, and like, share, subscribe, give your thumbs, and also share these MCQs with the people who are taking part in the competitive examinations. This is definitely going to helpful to them in their career. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. God bless you.